Have you ever wondered what is the difference between management accounting and financial accounting? Let's break this down in this tutorial. Let's talk about purpose. When it comes to management accounting, it is mainly for internal purposes of the business. With financial accounting, accounts are mainly prepared for external purpose. Okay, let's look at timing. With management accounting, there is no set timing. It could be monthly or weekly. When it comes to financial accounting, accounts are prepared every 12 months. Finally, let's look at format. With management accounting, there is no particular format. But when it comes to financial accounting, these are prepared according to international financial reporting standards. My name is Shaktee Ramtohul. Hit the like, subscribe, and notifications bell for future videos on accounting, banking, and finance.